Good day, fellow YouTubers. Thank you for joining me. Today I am not going to be sharing a video of scenic drone clips. Instead, I am going to share a poem that I wrote a couple years ago. And I published it in my book. My book is called My Beast. And the poem is called Self-Esteem. And self-esteem is one of the many issues that I deal with. I have severe self-esteem issues. And it takes a toll on your daily activities because, like, it's been a long time since I was to a beach and took my shirt off. And that's just a very small, not silly, but basic example of the things that I deal with. But going shirtless at a beach is not on the top of my list of priorities right now, thanks to my low self-esteem issues. But it tends to trickle over into many aspects of life, and it takes a toll. It becomes this huge roadblock that prevents you from doing many things that were once enjoyable. So I'm going to stop blabbing on about it, and I'm going to read it to you now. And of course, since I'm getting a little older, and to help with my self-esteem issues, I got to wear my reading glasses. Yeah. So this is called Self-Esteem. Poised upon the fringe of the world, hostile cliff, literal peril. Audacity falters, bowels churn. 'Tis no cliff, a mind so feral. No jagged rocks, no gusting wind, to cast me beyond the edge. Limbs tremble, blood ceases to flow, vertigo engulfs loathed ebb. Elusive precipice, deluged with angst, intrepidity, crushed by panic. There is no ocean, yet I still drown. Empty arms flail, weak and frantic. Over and over again I drown, succumbing, odious reflection. Timid glance, ghastly mirror, aversion of eyes, heinous projection. Savage barbs reckoning, seeking flesh, paralyzed, frozen, suspended. Unsteady eyes, quivering hands, manicured fingers, oh so splendid. Nails of accusation, polished with contempt, piercing judgment, jump, die, rot. Nothing but debt, would drowning desist. White-tipped tongues spit and mock. Asphyxiated, desperate erosion of teeth. Foghorn silence, no ghastly wail. Tides shall not change, another moon. Choking on ignorance, sulphurous exhale. But there is no cliff, my mind and I, combating a feeble, paltry fool. Jump, I scream as the seagull shrieks. I jump, I fly, a familiar pool. There. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. And stay tuned for my next video, which will be a little bit more light, I guess is the best way to put it. It'll be a little lighter. It won't be as dark and deep and morbid as that poem. Anyway, take care and enjoy the rest of your weekend.